All right, YouTube, at the store, it's kind of like a Sally's, but more exclusive. You do have to have a membership to get in here, and you have to be licensed. So a licensed cosmetologist or a barber. So yeah, about to show you guys what I get. I feel like whenever I go into a store and I politely ask to record, 100% of the time, the employees always say no. Just because I'm asking. Got some bulk shampoo, conditioner, shop. Barbers, content creators, YouTubers of any sorts, Instagrammers, TikTokers, anything. Get a small ring light. Don't get the big one. I'm telling you. It's not huge, so it's not going to tip over. The bigger one tends to tip over a lot, you know, when you position it a certain way. I'm telling you, this free game right here. Get a small one. I think this is 18 inches. I'm telling you, it's way better. It's much more brighter. Look at that. It's like a powerhouse because it's so tiny. Alright, y'all. Listen. He wanted a 2. You want a 2 or a 2.5?
It's just 2.
I cut him before. He knows his scalp was gonna show. That's what he wanted. You just gotta listen. Alright, I'm sure you heard it before. So I personally would have did a 2, 2.5, or a 3 because of his texture. It's more silkier, but he wanted a 2. Barbers, just listen to what they want. Even if it's gonna scalp them or show their scalp, just listen. Alright? Playoffs. You already know. Harden. Ooh. So when I get home on Saturdays, what I like to do is I like to add up all the no-shows for the week because I just don't have time to do it during the week. And I do bring home the towels from the shop that need to be washed so that everything is ready to go by Monday or Tuesday. I cut Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Tuesdays I do long day cuts. So I cut from 8 a.m. to like 7 p.m. So I do like a marathon day on Tuesdays. I capture a lot of content on Tuesdays. Monday and Wednesdays, I usually edit my content, and Saturday nights I edit content. Because I have 2 jobs. As a YouTube barber, if you're a YouTube barber watching this, congratulations. You have 2 jobs. Cutting hair and YouTube. YouTube should be your first priority. I'm just now starting to realize it, but that should be your priority. So now we're gonna mark our no-shows for the week. So I had 0 no-shows throughout the week, but I had 2 today. So I marked them no-show. So you could do checked in, no-show. I mark it no-show so that when they come back to me and say, oh, I had an appointment another day, I bring it up, show them. They put a deposit down. I keep the deposit because it's non-refundable. About to show y'all what a real Philly cheesesteak is. First off, you need mayonnaise, ketchup. Onions optional. Me personally, I don't get onions. Sometimes I do. Bread slightly toasted. Look at that. The bread was toasted perfectly. I told them light mayo, heavy ketchup. Never tried that before. Perfect. Because sometimes the mayo can outweigh the ketchup and I don't like that. It gotta be proportionate. They both balance each other out, but when there's a lot of mayo, it's a little too much for me. Anyways, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on the gram at the 4th Ken. I'm out. Peace.